Welcome to 3dmuseum.co, where history comes to life and meets the possibilities of the future. Today, we take you behind the scenes of 3dmuseum.co, an innovative platform that redefines the way how we experience culture and history. Our journey began in 2023, when a small group of cultural enthusiasts and tech experts came together. This is where technology meets history. Our mission was clear: to make the treasures of the past and the wonders of art and culture accessible to everyone, regardless of their location. We're passionate about 3D capture technology, drones, and photogrammetry. With these cutting-edge tools, we create immersive virtual tours of museums, historical sites, and temples. Our platform offers unique, immersive experiences that let you explore these cultural treasures in a whole new light, all in the comfort of your own device. But this is just the beginning. Our long-term goal is to make 3dmuseum.co the leading platform for digital cultural experiences. We believe that culture and history should not be confined in the walls of museums and temples. It should be shared with the world. So whether you dreamed about exploring the legendary Air Force One or gazing upon the beauty of the world's greatest wonders, you're just one click away from history.